Hey guys, what do you say we go boondocking tonight? What do you think? Oh yeah, we're gonna go horse camping tonight. Gonna go up to horse camp here off of Highway 101. Haven't been up there in a while. Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. Just stopping right here right now at the Fred Meyer, just picking up a couple of things, and yeah, we're gonna head out here and we're gonna do this. We're gonna do it tonight. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. Out fuel points, Fred Meyer fuel points. I'm paying $2.16 a gallon for diesel. It's a pretty good price. Right, here we go. We're here. Good old Baker Beach. Baker Beach. Baker Beach. You guys hear the ocean? Yeah. Nice. A little horse loading dock station. No garbage service. Pack it in, pack it out. Oregon Coast Trail. Groovy, groovy. There she is, all saddled up for the night at the horse camp. I've actually been here before. I did a video out here a couple of years ago on, I think it was that picnic table right there. Maybe I'll do some more of those videos. Some more picnic table videos. Campsite back there is underwater. This floods pretty good here in the winter. The Forest Service have been in here cutting the grass though, which is good to see. Getting it all ready for the season for the campers. Cool. That's it for now. Morning, guys. What's happening? Slept pretty good last night here. It rained all night last night. It's kind of not raining here. It's not raining here right now. A couple of cars. When I first got here, I was here all by myself. Oh, about 10 o'clock at night, there was a couple cars that came in. There was one car that came in. This was like at about 11 o'clock at night. It's complete dark here. This is a Monday night, and this campground here, I mean, this is a pretty remote area, and I was really surprised to see there was a car that had pulled up and went to the kind of drove in and kind of parked for a little bit, and then it was going to make like it was going to leave, and then the car turned back around and it came back and it kind of was sitting there parked for a little while. And I'm just kind of sitting here, okay, so, you know, what's going on? What's going on here? And anyway, so it was a couple, and they had actually had picked out a spot, and these guys were pretty brave, I thought. I mean, it was just pouring rain last night. Well, they were out there setting up a tent and getting getting their camp set up for the night. So anyways, that was pretty much the activity last night. So I'm going to move the truck here this morning and go park it over here, and then I'm going to walk out to the beach. I'm going to show you this beach trail. It's really built for horses, but this is a really neat area, our beach area. Not a lot of people access this area of the beach because really the only way you can access it is from this point. So, and you got to hike out there. So, all right, keep watching, guys. Yeah, there's that couple over there that I was talking about. They set up a tent up there. So that other spot that I was going to park at, I decided to go to a different spot here. This is Sutton Lake Campground, I think it is. Anyways, we're coming up here. There's a little bit of a parking area and a little bit of a different walk out to the beach. That other place over there was like flooded. The trail was pretty much underwater. So what you'll find a lot of times this time of year, a lot of things are flooded. So let's go check it out. There it is, Sutton Beach. Pull up and park right here. All right, guys, what's up? Here we're here. Let's go do some vlogging, huh? Let's go do some vlogging at the beach. Oh yeah. So what are we wearing here today? Just got my little precipitation hat on, rain participation hat. I got my little precipitation rain jacket on that's really worn out right now. You can see the inner layer is starting to come apart on here. This is a Marmot jacket, a $90 rain jacket, and it's time for a replacement. So I think this jacket's about 5 years old, and I've used it very heavily. Been a really good rain jacket, but it's time for a replacement here. Just kind of looking at the map here, Sutton Creek Trail. We'll just go this way. Let's see, what else have I got on? Oh yeah, I've got my my rubber boots on. Going all out here for a waterproofing, 100% waterproofing protection. This is my mic that I'm using, the cord. So, yep, when you want to stay dry, you wear rain boots, but I don't have anything protecting my legs from water. So we're gonna really take a chance here today. So, yeah, this is good. Good to be kind of coming out here. It's good to be out here more, doing more, showing you guys more things going on. I feel really good about it. Actually, I think this just goes out to a, yeah, this just goes out to an overlook. It's pretty cool. Hopefully this mic that I'm using is going to help with some of the wind noise. Ooh, yeah, look at that. Beautiful. And Highway 101 is right up there on that ridge. It runs on that crest of that ridge. A lot of wildlife here. Beautiful. This is so nice here. On a real nice sunny day when it's clear, this is really a spectacular spot to be. But yeah, with as much water as there is right now, with as much rain as the coast has gotten this winter, a lot of trails accessing the beach are underwater. Okay, so here's the other trail here. Looks like this is where it kind of, yeah, we'll just go out here to this one here. Alder Dunes Campground. It's probably going to be underwater. Hey, there we go. There's the sign. Warning. Warning, warning. Ocean shore hazards. Unusually high sneaker waves. Oh yeah, watch out for those. Watch out for those. Your tsunami hazard zone. In case of an earthquake, go to high ground or inland. Yeah, that's for damn sure. I think you're going to need a helicopter, though, to get to inland pretty quick. What did that say? Share the beach. Hey, snowy plover. The snowy plover. All right. Yeah. Oh, there's a friend out there. Somebody. All right, so we're going to cross here. Just talked to this guy, and he said that if you want to get to the beach, you got to cross here. So I'm sure this is a little bit slick. Yeah. I didn't bring my high waders with me, so I think we're gonna have to go on that other trail and choose a different way, because I didn't come here to swim today. If you guys know what I mean. There we go, starting to rain. Yeah, I might want to go actually get my other rain gear. Okay, so we're going to go on this other little trail. I've been on this trail before, but I haven't actually hiked it all the way. It's pretty scenic. Definitely some neat viewpoints along the way. There are so many awesome trails just like this one along the coastline. You can just go and hike, and you could just go, you could just go backpack and hike a lot of these trails. They kind of just all connect to one another. I always thought that would be a lot of fun, just to go backpacking along the 101, tree roots. Gnarly. Oh, look at that spruce. Wow. That is a monster. Beautiful. I love the moss. The moss here is, this time of year is just beautiful. Here's some rhododendrons blooming. Beautiful. Ooh, what do we have here? This little log goes out to the creek. A little bit of a light drizzle going on right now. God, it's beautiful here, isn't it? All right, so we're on a loop trail right now. I don't think I've been on this one. Yeah, so it's pretty much an unsuccessful attempt going to the beach today from this location. So that's the deal. I think this vlog is going to be over soon. There will be many more to come though. Don't you worry. Over the hills and through the woods. To Mr. Rogers' house we go. Or maybe it was Fred Penner, I forget. Fred Penner, yes. That's what this reminds me of, this little escapade that I'm on right now. Okay, talk to you guys later. Here's the end. Coming back to the parking lot. So the loop does connect. Good to know. This will be good information for those of you that want to come down here and check this out. Yep, started over there and we basically did a big loop, came back around here. There's the warnings and suggestions. Cool. Bathroom over there. Really bad conditions. Don't use it. Go and use nature instead. My recommendation. All right, all. See you on the next one.